Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a couple days ago, so that is where the green line here is coming from at 0.022, and that had served its purpose. Quick recap from the last video I did. It was all about acknowledging the fact that, hey, the price had made a really nice move, but the question became, okay, was this the start of something bigger? And we got our answer. No, that was not the start of something bigger because, the price has essentially dropped right back to this area. So definitely shaky on that ground as far as, not really maintaining the gains. Now, of course, yeah, it didn't go all the way back down there to its lows, but still, the price dropping all the way down here, not the best sign of power, but to also be fair and to give credit where credit's due, the final 30 minutes here, the bulls did recover very nicely, got the green candle, although a little confusing because barely any volume with that. But it is what it is, I guess. Welcome to the world of penny stocks in some instances. But what I do want to do is get some things updated here. So the first update is just adjust this level down to here now that we have more data. It seems as though that key level of support now is going to be right there at 0.0205. So again, 0.0205 going to be that initial level of support. And you definitely don't want to see the price dropping below there, because then at that point in time, if that were to happen, then that's literally, so if the price goes down here, then that's literally putting the price essentially right back at those lows. And again, nobody wants truly strong moves don't go back to where they were, right? They're going to make some sort of progress forward. The other level, though, to keep a close eye on, which has made itself very apparent now and not very shocking, especially if you've studied charts and all that, and that is in regards to the pink line there, the 200 period moving average. And I say especially if you've studied charts, because even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is below it, it tends to act as resistance. And that's exactly what's been going on here. Right here, yeah, the price did temporarily get up above it. But just because the price breaks above a level, then the next question always becomes, okay, well, is the price going to be able to stay above it? And, in that situation did not happen. And then since then, the price just tried to get above it several more times throughout the course of the day and never could quite do it. So that remains, the key battleground going forward from the resistance side of things. So yeah, shaky price action, but that final 30 minutes definitely adds in some good little bullish spice here. So we'll see if that leads to anything or not to close out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.